Welcome back to my channel. This is Janice. And if you're new here, hi. This is Hazel May. I thought I'd let her do a little appearance today. Her and I have been on a little trip. We're gone, oh, not quite 2 weeks, about 10 days, I believe. 10 or 12 days, something like that. Anyways, we had lots of fun. What are you kissing me for, huh? I think she'd be tired of me. I should tell you what, she never left my side. She constantly had to be with me. But she's a good traveler, aren't you? Can you say hi, everyone? Say hi. Today I'm gonna do an unbagging of my IPSY Glam Bag. And it is for the month of October 2020. Comes in this pink bag here. And if you're interested in seeing what I received in this month of October 2020, just keep watching. Really, you want to get down now so Mommy can open this up? Do you want to get down? Yeah, I think she will. IPSY Glam Bag, October 2020. I've really scaled down on my subscriptions. I'm actually getting only 2. This is one of them. This is my IPSY Glam Bag. This costs $12 a month, and it comes with 5 deluxe size samples and occasionally a full size. So it's really nice, and I do enjoy this. I have paid for a year in advance, so I enjoy it. I'm going to keep continuing receiving it. Just don't want to give it up. All right, pulling things out, and I got something inside the main bag, and it is a brush. It's really, really cute. Looks like it's a teal color. Really gorgeous, glittery. Got some rhinestones there, and it could be used as a blush. Brush, maybe a little highlighter, or maybe sweeping off under eye eyeshadow dust. Or sometimes I use these for packing on a little bit of under eye powder, brightener, because I don't like putting a lot on. Just a little bit, just to kind of soften up and set my under eye. I really, really like this. And they do give you a card. It is the theme of the month, and this month's theme is your magic. Inside this card, it does tell me what I received and explains the items that I received. And this is really a cute bag. It's looks like it's kind of like a, you know, to me it reminds me of a zodiac, but I don't know. But anyway, it's got cute, looks like an eyeball in there, and it's got makeup around it. It's cute. And it's black. And on the back it says, your magic. I really like the tassel this month. It's a moon and a star. Celestial, that's what I'm trying to say. It's a celestial theme. So, yeah, that's cute. Alright, let's see what we have. I am pulling out, oh, it looks like an Ofra product. Oh, it looks like yeah, it's a blush. And it is in this color, which is called Blush Rose. Oh, that's pretty. It's a dusty rose. Let me backtrack. I always forget to do this. This is by SL Miss Glam. And this is a P40 round blusher brush. That's what I thought. And it says we always look to, I don't have my magnifying glass? No, I don't. I'll fight through this. We always look to SL Miss Glam for brushes with a touch of fun, sparkle, and personality, like this gorgeous blush brush with a emerald green handle. The synthetic brushes are super soft to touch and blend cream powder wet or dry pigments with ease. No streakiness here. It is soft. Feels like a nice quality brush. I've had that brand before and I was quite happy with that brand. Okay, back to the Referral Blush and Rose. A fresh, rosy flush never goes out of style, and this gorgeous shade delivers just the right amount of color to warm up your complexion in an instant. We love baked blushes for their staying power, and this one goes on super smooth. Never looks cakey and lasts all day. And I have one other blush from them that I received from IPSY. It's not the same color, but I do use it and I really do enjoy it. So let's go ahead and swatch this, because I was just looking through my drawer today and saying I could use another blush. It's not like I don't have tons, but I could use another blush. Alright, if you can see this, okay. This is one swipe and this is two. I like blushes like this that you can build up, and I don't like them real out in your face. And it's nice and pigmented. It's not that. I just don't like them go bam, because it's hard to take it off. I like it to be able to build it up if I want. So this is a beautiful color. Yeah, I didn't want to show you this hand because I had blood work done, was it Thursday? Yeah. And she couldn't find a vein. And she says, well, I found one in your hand, but it hurts. Do you? And I says, I don't care. I says, I'm not afraid of needles. They never hurt me. I have high pain tolerance. So she did it. I didn't feel a thing. And she says, boy, if you was any other patient, I would never attempt that. But anyway, she got some blood. So let's hope that comes back. I think it will be okay. We're just checking on my levels of my thyroid medicine, that's all. Not a biggie. Well, not a biggie if I don't take the right dosage. I may have to go down a bit in dosage because I've lost quite a bit of weight and that's helped me. So I may be able to go on less medication. So that's a win. Alright, back to the bag. Next thing I'm pulling out is by, what are you by? Well, let's get the card. Complex Culture. And it is a little gray box. It's a full-time eyeshadow and champagne. Okay, so it's a single eyeshadow. I don't think I've tried this brand yet. I don't think so. I could be wrong. It's cute. Little square compact. I'll get it out. And there is the color. This is champagne. So it's really pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because I have many shadows this color. It's not that I wouldn't love to try this formula. It's a full-time eyeshadow and champagne. Calling all shadow lovers. Curated by professional makeup artists, this champagne-inspired shade goes on easily with your finger or brush to take the guesswork out of applying shadow when you're short on time. Plus, it's ultra pigmented, long wearing, and super buildable. Oh, something Bobbi Brown. All right. I've never received this before. It's a vitamin-enriched face base. That's exciting. Okay, it's a cream. Here is the jar. And it is the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Vitamin Rich Face Base. And it's just a white cream. And it's smooth to the touch. Really nothing for you to see. I just want to try it on for consistency. It does have a scent, but I do like scents. If you're like us, you'll spend precious time perfecting your beauty looks. You definitely want to make sure they stay flawless all day. This nourishing primer, oh, it's a primer, oh my, is enriched with hydrating vitamin E and B and C. Use it to keep your makeup looking smooth, fresh, and gorgeous. I can't read today. It's just tiny print, so. I was going to tell you before I go on, this card doesn't tell you the price because they're, you know, deluxe samples. So I don't, but it does have the full size price. So I will go over that in a minute. Keep a little disorganized. That's normal. Ooh, this is tiny. I did pick this. You do get to choose one product out of a few that they have. Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator and Light Sand. So I was really want to try this. And here is a little tiny sample. I just wish it was a little bigger, but that's okay. At least it'll let me know if I'm going to like it or not. Oh, it does have a safety seal. I'll squeeze a little bit on here and see what I think. I don't want to squeeze too much because there's not much in here. Oh my goodness, a little bit goes a long ways, that's for sure. I just barely squeezed it. Okay, here it is. Ooh, it feels nice. Wait. Well, it's absorbed in my hand right away. It's a tinted hydrator, so it's not going to be like a foundation. Whether you love a no makeup look or glam is your thing, you're going to be obsessed with this tinted hydrator. Lightweight and easy to blend, the buildable formula melts seamlessly into your skin for a no-fuss application. Perfect for busy mornings. Oh, if I really like this, I may pick up the full size because I don't like wearing heavy makeup when I work. I'm a professional dog groomer, so, you know, I don't want to wear a lot of makeup because, well, fur sticks to my face. So, but I have to have a little bit because otherwise I'm going to scare everybody away because I look dead without a little bit of color. So this is hopefully going to work out perfect. Let's go back to this. The Tarte Tinted Hydrator. It retails for $29 full size. Obviously this is not full size. It does, oh yeah, it does tell me. It's
30 milliliters, is that it? 30 ml for $29. So that sounds like it's less than a half ounce, I think. I'm not good with the ml. Okay, my thought just went on my brain. There it goes, shows my age. I'm having a senior moment. I have those a lot.
Alright, the brush is full size. That's cool. Well, wow. $18.50 for this beautiful little brush. Okay. Glad I got it in my bag that I only paid $12 for. This Bobbi Brown Vitamin E Face Base, which is a primer, is full size. $60. Wow. It's not in my budget, but I'm glad I'm getting to sample it. And the eyeshadow is, let's see, this full size? It's a deluxe sample. And the full size version of this is $28. Wow, that sounds like a nice product. The blush, oh my goodness. This is full size. See, I'm telling you. Now last month I got all deluxe samples. I was happy with them because they were really nice. But I'm over the moon about this. So this is the over blush, and I know these aren't cheap. That retails for $29. Wow. So this was a very good value. This is why I don't want to cancel it. For $12, it's worth it to me. Even if I get one item out of it that I really love, it's worth it to me. Plus I get a cute little makeup bag. Not that I need them, but I keep the ones I love and gift other ones to my friends and family. And I find uses for them. Believe it or not, even though I have a few boxes full. But I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with them. The ones that I'm not using, that I haven't used. All right, that is my IPSY Glam Bag for the month of October 2020. And I just want to let you know that if you are not subscribed, I can't say blame you. I don't really upload much, but why don't you just go ahead and subscribe anyways, because I do upload occasionally. I'm trying to get better, and I've been threatening that for most of the year. But I'm really starting to feel a lot better mentally, and I'm gonna make that effort. All right, also hit that notification bell, because when I do, you should be notified. It usually goes into your inbox, or it'll say, hey, Janice has got a new video, go ahead and check her out. Also comment, what do you think about this? Do you get IPSY Glam Bag? And what do you think of the bag? I think it's great. Also, like this video. Yeah, I hope you like me and my little dog. I throw her in for good measure, in case you don't like me. You should love my dog. She's darling. All right, I'm gonna let you go now, and I'm gonna do another video here soon, and I'm gonna be uploading this one first, I hope. I think so. And working on that one, and you're gonna see me in pretty quickly here again. So, yeah. So, yeah, I guess that's a goodbye. Bye, everyone. You have a wonderful day or evening wherever you are in this world. Bye. Oh my goodness, Janice. There's no hope for you. You're so rusty. You need to do this more.